Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hope so you all are fine. Grade 6, we are doing our unit movements in animals, and we have done our reading and question answers till page number 104. Up to here, we have done. Today, we will do these filling the blanks and next topic reading. Plants show movements of growth. The structure made of all the bones in the body of a person is known as skeleton. Dash is the strong elastic substance found where two bones connect in the human body. Cartilage. Our skull is made up of 22 cranial and facial bones. The lower jaw is also known as mandible. This labeling you have to do, draw a line with the help of scale and then write. This is the cranium, this is the eye orbit, it is the nasal part, and this is the mandible. Clear? Next we are going to read about joints. Beta, joints are the parts where two bones meet, where two bones connect. You now know what kind of bones form the skeletal system. Let us now see how these bones help us to move. Observe the human body when it moves while walking on a pavement, kicking a ball, bowling a cricket ball, or batting and writing. You will realize that one of these movements would be possible if there was only one bone in the arm or the leg. Parts of the body are made up of different bones which provide flexibility and make movements easier. Bending and rotating body parts make movement of the body feasible. This is because different parts are made of more than one bone, which seem to be joined. This place of contact between two bones is called joint. The place of contact is the joint. Find out whether all bones of the body move or bend. Are there any parts which do not move? All bones cannot move. Moreover, all bones cannot bend in all directions. You would observe that different movements are done by different kind of bones and joints. Thus, the direction, the angle, and the amount of rotation is regulated by the count of joint present. There are different types of joints in our body. You can see here in this picture, we have 4 types of joints here. Ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, and gliding joint. Ball and socket joint is present in our shoulder. Hinge joint is present in our elbow. Pivot joint is present in our forearm, means front arm. Gliding joint is present in forearm and wrist. Clear? Ball and socket joints. The ball and socket joints are present in the shoulder and the hip. They move in all directions. Take any bottle with a curved bottom, circular, and cut the bottle at the base to get a cup-like shape. Fill the cup with clay. Take a rod or the stick and push it in the clay and rotate. Leave it for some time. You will see that the stick can rotate through an angle of 360 degrees. This is full circle. It in different directions. Like you see here, this joint, it moves in full circle. Here is like you see that, for example, this is the bottom cut of a bottle and you put a stick in it. When you move it, it moves in all direction. So this is the working of ball and socket joint. Similar kinds of movement are seen at the point where the arm joins and shoulder and where the leg joins the hip. These joints are called the ball and socket joint. Next is pivot joints. Observe the movement of your neck. The joint here allows you to bend the neck back, forward, and turn the head to the right and left. The joint allows movement in all directions. In our ring, such joint is called pivot joint. The joints of our neck. Hinge joint. Open and close a door. You will see that door does not move beyond 180 degrees, just like the hinge joint. hold a pen between your middle finger and ring finger. Try swinging the pen using the finger muscle. Observe the movement of your knee and elbow. Is there any similarity between the pen movement and that of knee and elbow? The pen moves through an angle of 0 to 180 degree, and so do the joints in the knee and elbow. Such a joint is called hinge joint. Like in this way, it only moves in the two directions 180. It cannot move in a complete circle. So these are the hinge joints, and these joints are present in our knees and elbows. You can see that you move your knees forward and backward. That's it. You can't move your knees in a complete circle. Fixed joints. Feel your head. The skull is not made of one bone but several bones which are joined together. However, these joints cannot move. Such immovable joints are called fixed joints. Clear? Now we have to do this column. We have to write the technical names, common name of bones they have given us. Skull technical name is cranium. Lower jaw is mandible. Shoulder blade is scapula. Upper jaw is maxilla. Collarbone is clavicle. Breastbone is sternum. Backbone, vertebral column. Last vertebrae, lumbar vertebrae. Thigh bone is femur. Kneecap is patella. We know that the body is made up of bones. When we fall and have a fracture, there is a broken bone, or when we displace a bone. How does the doctor come to know which bone is broken or displaced? All of you have listened about the word x-ray. X-ray is taken to check that is there any fracture or any bone is broken. So what is x-ray? X-ray is basically an photographic film, an image that is formed, and with the help of that x-ray doctor can examine. Here is one. Do you know the bone that is broken most often is the collarbone? The scientific name for collarbone is clavicle. For today you have to do reading and plus learn this bookwork. Reading from page number 105 to page number 107. These two bookworks you have to learn. Have a great day, dear students. Allah Hafiz.